time here at Unique Special and Classics. This particular model, 1998 Chevrolet Silverado, half-ton, extended cab 4x4, pewter metallic in color, dark red or garnet colored cloth interior. Of course, powered by the ever-popular 5.7-liter Vortec V8 underneath the hood that is paired with an automatic with overdrive transmission. And a little over 47,000 original miles on this pickup. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. As you can see, clear bug deflector has been added to this truck. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the inside, check out that interior, engine bay, bed of it, underside, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Aftermarket running boards have been added. Take a look up and down the passenger side. Did notice a few little dings in. I'll try to point them out kind of as we go around. Interior, extremely nice shape. 60/40 split bench. Fold down armrest. Nicely equipped since it is a Silverado package. Push button. 4-wheel drive, AM, FM, cassette and CD. Power windows, power locks, tilt and cruise, power mirrors. So nicely equipped, and we'll check that out as we get around to the driver's side too. Now, I don't know if I can get them to show up because they're pretty minute. But in the bed back here, boy, it's tough to really even see them. I don't know if you can see just a slight, there you go, kind of just a real slight spot, a little bit of a ding. But overall, this truck shows very well. Nice retractable tonneau cover. Locking also does have the Line-X spray and bed liner. When I start it up, we check underneath the hood. I'm going to open up the boxes for you too to take a look at. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Trailering package. Receiver there. One little spot I noticed here. If you can, and again, I'm being fussy just trying to point them out since you're looking at pictures and a video on this one. But there you can kind of see it again, pretty minute. And the still pictures, check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Another thing I can tell you, in January of 2020, service work done to this truck. Distributor cap, serpentine belt, air filter, plugs, front brakes, oil cooler lines replaced, coolant and power steering fluid flushed and changed. So service work recently done on this truck also. Go ahead and take a look down the driver's side. One little spot up on the door I noticed, and that one should be able to get it to kind of point out. There you go. And again, being pretty fussy, but I want to give you a fair shake how this looks. This would be a third door truck, so you would have the door on the extended cab on the passenger side. I'm going to pull that key 1 second. There we go. All right, take a look at the door panels. Not much wear at all. Fabric, nice shape. There's your power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Again, tilt and cruise. And take a look at the wear on the seats. No rips, tears, holes. If I get the camera right up on top of it, it's going to want to wash it out, but it is kind of a dark, I guess, garnet red. There you go. That's a real true shot of the color of that interior. Nice looking on the pewter metallic. Headliner also in nice shape. Fold down center armrest. Let's go ahead and start this truck up. Hear it run. There's your exact miles also, 47,362. Close that up a second, get rid of the chime. And as you can see, the only lights, daytime running lamp, indicator, and then the seat belt, which I do not have on. So no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Again, AC blows cold, push button 4-wheel drive, AM, FM, cassette, and CD. tell this truck was stored indoors. Take a look at that dash. No fading, sunbake, anything like that. And look at these seats. Again, extremely nice shape. Rear seat is the same. Also has Husky liners in it. I did take those out so you can see the carpeting underneath them in the still pictures. Good shape. Slip around to the back. It's what you'd expect it to sound like. Slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood, and like I said, I'll open up the bed of it too so we can check out the bed and underneath the hood. So give me a second and I'll be...
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go, nice tidy engine bay. Again, 5.7 liter Vortex, aired up with an automatic with overdrive drive. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC, once again AC rose gold. No surprises underneath there. What you'd expect, sounds like you'd expect. Also good rubber on this truck yet. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. And then I did mention the spray-in bed liner, retractable cargo cover. So bed of the truck also in nice shape. This cargo cover is lockable. Key that is on the keychain right there. Push button to release it. You can push it with one finger and it will retract and roll up to the front. Just pull it back when you want to cover up the cargo area. There you go, 1998 Chevrolet Silverado extended cab 4x4, half ton. A little over 47,000 original miles on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate and call in or email.